In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Volume Profile 3D in TradingView Pro. To follow along, you'll want to have TradingView open in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into a Pro account so you can access this feature properly. Once you're on the chart you want to analyze, the very first thing we'll do is open the Indicators menu. Look at the top of your chart window and find the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the top toolbar, close to where you change timeframes or add drawing tools. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a search panel where you can find all of TradingView's built-in indicators, as well as community scripts and any custom tools you might have saved. At the top of this indicators panel, you'll see a search bar. This is where we'll look for the Volume Profile 3D tool. Click into the search box so your cursor is active there, and then start typing Volume Profile 3D. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators below. You should see Volume Profile 3D appear in the results list as a selectable option. Once you see it, simply click on the Volume Profile 3D indicator in the list. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. Within a second or two, you should notice a new visual layer appear, showing the distribution of trading volume across different price levels in a more three-dimensional style. Depending on your chart background and theme, it may look like a set of horizontal volume bars or a colorful 3D style profile on the side of your price action. From here, you can hover over the indicator name at the top of your chart to access its settings. This is where you can fine-tune things like colors, opacity, and the way volume is displayed, so it's easy on your eyes and fits your personal trading workflow. If your chart looks too cluttered at first, don't worry. You can always adjust visibility, zoom in or out, or temporarily hide other indicators to focus on Volume Profile 3 alone. If you're not yet on TradingView Pro and want to unlock tools like this without hitting indicator limits, check out the affiliate link in the description below. It's a straightforward way to upgrade to Pro and support the channel at the same time. That's all you need to get Volume Profile 3D up and running in TradingView Pro. Take a few minutes to experiment with it on different markets and timeframes, and you'll quickly start to see where volume is really accumulating around key price levels.